Terpenes are aromatic compounds found in plants like citrus, herbs, and cannabis. They give plants their unique scents. Many terpene sprays for cannabis use botanical terpenes extracted from various plants. These compounds enhance the aroma of cannabis. Botanical terpenes are sourced from non-cannabis plants and can mimic cannabis's aromatic molecules. Citrus peels and pine trees produce familiar terpene scents. Because they share similar molecules, botanical sources provide terpenes akin to those in cannabis flowers. Botanical terpenes ensure consistent aroma profiles in cannabis formulations. They create predictable aromatic blends without altering chemical potency. This makes them ideal for enhancing aroma instead of changing the flower's chemistry. When applied as a fine mist, terp sprays evenly distribute botanical terpenes on cannabis buds. They restore aroma lost during storage. Balanced application maintains the flower's natural structure while enhancing scent. Even distribution improves the effectiveness of terp sprays. The Spray Master by Terps USA atomizes and distributes the spray evenly, preserving the flower's integrity. Terpene sprays are crafted from plant sources like citrus peels and herbs. They enhance aroma without changing cannabinoid potency. Since 2019, Terps USA specializes in botanical terpene spray systems for cannabis. If you want to enhance cannabis aroma, explore terp spray options here. https://terpsusa.com/collections/terp spray list. For precision application, check out the Spray Master here. https://terpsusa.com/products Terps USA Spray Master Key. Takeaway: botanical terpenes enhance cannabis aroma while preserving its natural characteristics.